James Kaufman, World News Report today, February 7th, 2025. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Governor Gavin Newsom admits he won't let the Pacific Palisades properties owners rebuild as before. It's going to be a 15-minute city. You can't rebuild the same. We have to rebuild with science. We have to rebuild with climate reality in mind. Can we cut off all federal pennies to this sociopath? Well, I guess it's on the take. I guess you're really not a sociopath if you're getting paid to lie, are you?
So you mentioned the timeline for rebuilding would be 6 to 9 months. Is that going to happen? And should people rebuild in some parts of California, given how high the fire risk is?
You can't rebuild the same. So we have to rebuild with science. We have to build with climate reality in mind. We have to look at infrastructure, redundancies, systems, ingress, egress as it relates to emergency management and planning, materials, all of that is being reviewed and reconsidered, and with the latest iterations in terms of understanding and technology. And I say technology in the context of how, again, we build the infrastructure to keep it safe, to address undergrounding of lines, how we address the larger issues of redundancy in terms of systems. But more important than anything else is the need to get the debris removed. 30 days to do the hazardous waste. We want to get 6 to 9 months, the rest of the debris done. Concurrently, people are getting permits. So this is all happening, rolling together, and we want to see...
This is why he wants to continue to charge you property taxes so you lose your homes. The whole thing's coming to fruition, right? 15-minute cities, and he wants to own them all. And if Trump's involved, which he just left the Trump White House, so he must be, well, we have a lot bigger problem on our hands than we could have ever imagined.
Construction very shortly, and in the next few years, we want to see hundreds, thousands of homes rebuilt.
But I think there's a big question about how do some Californians do that, right? You have State Farm announcing that it has an average 22% interim rate hike for homeowners. The fair insurance plan for the state is just bogged down right now. Your dad, I believe, is on that plan, if I recall. Californians are saying they're not getting the help they need from FAIR. It's really confusing.
Well, FAIR's not a state plan. It's not a taxpayer-funded plan. It's a syndicate pool run by the insurance market itself. And it's the insured last resort. And it's existed back to Ronald Reagan in 1968. As it relates to that plan and their exposure, they have reinsurance, a significant amount of reinsurance. We feel strongly at this moment, and again, this changes in real time, that the plan will be able to absorb the losses ultimately. Now, as it relates to the larger issue of the insurance market, not unique to California by any stretch of the imagination, what's happening with insurance, and this is the reality, the new reality of extremes, extreme heat, extreme drought. You have droughts and rain bombs. You have flooding at the same.
We haven't seen any extreme heat. I did a video showing you all how hot the 1930s are, and hey, how cold the 1850s were. So we're somewhere in the middle of just the last 150 years. These are all lies to control you. Period.
Same time you're dealing with droughts, all happening concurrently. There's a new reality, the world we're living in. And if you're not believing science, you have to believe your own eyes, your own lived experience. And the reality is the insurance market understands it better than anyone else. The market and Mother Nature's are going to have to change the way we live and do business in the context of how we plan, how we do land use, zoning in the future along the lines of your question. We have to wake up to this reality. We cannot be in denial about what's going on with Mother Nature, again, around the globe, not just...
But just to sort of pin you down on, what does that mean for the rebuilding in some of these high-risk areas?
Just more sophisticated.
What he's trying to say is we want to take over, control you even more so, and build 15-minute cities. And that's why we've used, well, all means possible to do so. And it looks like Trump's on board because Newsom was in D.C. yesterday, right? And guess what's next? Houston, Texas. I have it from inside. Inside. Houston, Texas is about to burn or going to be hit by something so bad that it has to be rebuilt into a 15-minute city. God bless my daughter. If anything ever happens to her, you people better move out of this country. Y'all better hide in the pits of the world. Pits of the world, because I know what y'all do and why y'all do it. And the time has come. Period. Period. I know Houston's going to be next. Y'all trust in that. I already know. Isn't that wild?
Sophisticated design and planning. Remember, Altadena, many of those homes were done in the 20s and 30s and 40s for a world that no longer exists from a climate perspective. And so the ability to absorb a deeper understanding as you rebuild it presents itself anew in a profound and we hope impactful way. So I'm concerned about it, but I'm not concerned about our resourcefulness to address it with the most modern standards anywhere in the world. By the way, California leads the nation already in building zoning standards. Our ability now to take it to the next level to be a model for the rest of it.
The real reason Abbott, Newsom, and Trump met. Am I the only one that can hack or what? The 15-minute city is an urban planning concept in which mostly daily necessities and services such as work, shopping, education, healthcare, and leisure can be easily reached by a 15-minute walk, bike ride, or public transportation ride from any point in the city. This approach aims to reduce car dependency, which is no part of CO2, promote healthy and sustainable living, and improve well-being, and really take all power away from the U.S. citizens under the presumption that they're giving you quality of life. Quality of life. I want y'all to remember that because it's going to go down fast. They actually took a do and did Cali, and I don't know how they're going to do Houston, but I guess we'll see if it's going to be a hurricane this year, a Cat 6 hurricane this year, flood it all out, they'll have to redo it, or another do. It's so easy to see the sociopath's plans. Remember, they're not as smart as me. They're just sociopaths. God bless you guys. Share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible in Bizarro World.